Hello, welcome to That's Easy channel. I've got another tutorial video for you, but before we dive into it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new tutorials and you'll help the channel grow. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make folder icons large and set them as default in Windows 10. So there's a folder in front of us and its icon is pretty small. Let's go to View and choose Extra Large Icons. As you can see, the folder changes to a pretty big one now. But when we quickly go to another folder, we'll see that the other one is still small. So what to do to make all of them large? First, we got to go to View once again, and once again we have to change the size to extra large, but this time we need to go to the upper right corner of the window and click on Options. Then View, and inside View, we have to choose Apply to Folders. And now, as you can see, all folders are equally large. So this is it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.